Welcome to the job site. Today, we're running MC between boxes installed overhead. We'll take a look at the layout, prep, and install the cable, and look out for any issues that might arise in an inspection. Now, let's take a look at today's work assignment. Pick it up from the table. Take a look at the printout. This is the room we're working in today. It looks like we're connecting two boxes 25 feet apart. Put that printout away for now. A diagram of each box is drawn on the floor to show the correct installation location. Point at the box diagram on the floor and press the trigger. Right. This indicates there should be a box on the ceiling directly above the diagram. Look up and point out the box on the ceiling. Yep, there it is. Now, look to your right. See the second box diagram drawn on the floor down the hall? And there's the box installed above it. Both the boxes and the floor diagrams are labeled with the panel name and circuit numbers. The circled numbers indicate which circuits stay in the box. Uncircled numbers pass through to another box. Which of these circuits will stay in this box? That's right. 2 and 6 are circled, so they stay in the box. We'll be installing cable for circuit 4 today, since it passes through this box to the next one. Now that you're familiar with the assignment, let's prep the cable. Let's get started. First, we're going to strip 6 to 8 inches of the hard armor off one end of the cable so we can access the wires that will terminate in the box. Then, we'll install an anti-short bushing to protect the exposed ends. First, grab the armored cable cutter with your left hand. Grab the MC with your right hand and put it into the armored cable cutter where I'm showing you. Great! Now press the trigger on your left controller to hold the MC in place in the cable cutter. Use your right hand to turn the handle clockwise. That'll do it. I'll take that off for you. Grab the MC out of the cable cutter with your right hand. We're done with the cable cutter for now. Take a closer look at the MC to check the wires for damage. Does everything look good? Perfect. Next, grab the anti-short bushing. Right. You're going to clip it on the MC right at the cut point to prevent the metal from pinching the wires. Nice job. Let's get rid of that plastic insulation. Now we're ready to connect the MC to the first device box. We'll be installing it into the top of the box so we can attach it to the threaded rod above as a support. Grab the needle nose pliers. Jab the knockout with the pliers a few times until it comes loose. Nice! Now grab the lineman's pliers. Pinch the loose edge of the knockout with the pliers and press the trigger to clamp down. Pull the knockout off the box. Got it! Now I'll just install a connector. Slide the MC into the connector hole until the anti-short bushing touches the box. To secure the MC, we need to tighten the screw at the connector. Grab the screwdriver from the table. Use the screwdriver to tighten the screw in the connector. Twist it clockwise. Got it! To secure the connection and prevent an electrocution hazard, we need to put a wire connector on the ends of the wires. Grab the wire connector. Terrific! We've got to label these wires so the crew knows which circuit they're running on. Use this duct tape label I made. Grab it and touch it to the wires. Exactly. Now tuck the ends of the wires neatly into the box. Exactly. That's installed. We've got to install the box end into the next box, supporting the cable with threaded rods along the way. Congratulations! You just earned a gold medal. Grab it to unlock it.